Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by installing Brawl Stars and completing the tutorial to learn movement, aiming, and basic mechanics. Tap the joystick to move and the attack button to shoot for precise aiming and dodge enemy fire. Use the aim shot for long range and the auto aim for targets in close quarters. Choose a starting brawler like Shelly for shotgun range and easy aiming. Complete Trophy Road and daily quests to earn coins and boxes early to accelerate progression and unlock new brawlers and resources. Learn the main game modes and their win conditions so you know when to be aggressive or defensive. In Gem Grab, teams capture 10 gems and hold them for 15 seconds to win, so prioritize zone control and safe retreats. Showdown is solo or duo last brawler standing. Map control and healing from bushes matter, so avoid open fights early. In Brawl Ball, score 2 goals within 2 minutes to win and avoid turnovers by passing and protecting the ball carrier. Practice each mode in casual matches before ranked play. Manage your resources and focus on a few brawlers to climb faster. Save coins and power points to upgrade brawlers to power level 10 incrementally rather than spreading resources thin across many. Prioritize unlocking gadgets at power level 7 and star powers at level 9, because they change playstyle significantly. Spend tokens on big boxes when events rotate and avoid wasting gems on single skins early. Join a club to practice, share 3v3 strategies, and get social rewards that speed learning and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.